So now for the legs, what you want to do is open your legs. If hot, you can go down like this, right? And you can go down like this on one knee. You want to do the stretch. You want to feel the stretch right here in your quad, and then your quad here, and in the back of your front foot, the hamstring for your back of your front foot. That's where you're going to feel the stretch. Okay, so let's keep going. Nice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So like I was saying, for this stretch, to know that you're doing it right, you want to make sure that you feel the stretch here in your hamstring. Alright, so if you're not feeling it, you can pulse in, come back, pull back, and then lean forward a little bit more. So that's what you can do. If you're not feeling the muscles, you can come back, reset, and then go again. So that's what you want to do. That's what you want to do. Okay, so that's it. So you want to keep holding that position to get that full stretch, and you're going to feel your hips as well opening up as you're stretching like this. All right. Okay. Nice. You're doing a great job.
5,
keep going.
4,
Yeah. That's it.
3,
That's
2,
it. That's it.
1.
So now we're going to do our hamstrings. So excuse me. So now we're going to do our hamstrings. So just laying here, you can stretch your hamstrings so you're growing, right? Your inner thigh, you can stretch your inner thigh like this to relieve the tension, the tightness of your inner thighs. So you can do this.
5, 4,
Okay.
3,
So
2,
we're gonna switch sides now.
1.
Same thing. And what you want to do is make sure that you're leaning forward a little bit more, and your foot is extended all the way, right? So you want to make sure that it's all the way in the back here. So when I keep stretching, feel that stretch over here, right? So that's where you're gonna feel the stretch. Nice, nice. Great stuff. Great job. Great job.
5,
You guys are doing a great
4,
job.
3,
You guys are doing a great
2,
job. Nice.
1.
Okay, so next we're gonna stand. We're gonna pull our quad. So you're gonna pull your quad, right? Pull your back foot. Pull one leg up and stretch your quad. Doing this, you can also hold on to something if you feel like you're not stable, you don't have any balance. You can also feel free to hold on to something. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to do something a little bit more advanced. Just lean forward and balance on one leg while pulling the other leg. So right now I'm testing my balance and stability in my feet
5
by
4,
doing this.
3,
Okay.
2,
Now I'm gonna switch to the
1.
other side. Now I'm gonna switch to the other leg. Hold this position for a while. Again, you can do this all the way.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Nice.
1.
So that's it. And then now we're gonna do Cobra pose. So with the Cobra pose, I'm gonna start in this position. Okay, thanks for joining me today. That's it. Cheers.